Hey guys, how's it going? How to host a voter education workshop. So identify the topics, e.g., voter registration, ballot processes, candidate information you want to cover, and decide on the workshop format: in person, virtual, or hybrid, and duration based on your audience's preferences. And if in person, find a suitable and accessible location. For virtual workshops, choose a reliable platform, e.g., Zoom or Google Meet. Use social media, community boards, or and local organizations, and to advertise the event and encourage attendance, and prepare handouts, presentations, and resources that provide clear information on voting processes and rights. Invite knowledgeable speakers, such as local election officials or civic leaders, to discuss important topics and answer questions. Incorporate discussions, Q&A sessions, or role playing to engage participants and encourage active learning. Share links to voter registration sites, government resources, and other international materials for attendees to take away. And after the workshop, send a thank you email and include additional resources or a summary of key points discussed. And collect participant feedback to improve future workshops and assess their impact. By following these steps, you can effectively educate voters and empower them to participate in the electoral process. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload.